Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program to find kth smallest element in 1D array in Java. So let's take an example that we have to find the second smallest element in this array, and we have a 1D array which is unsorted. So to find the kth smallest element, first we have to sort this array. After sorting, we will get all the elements in a sorted form, and now we can easily find kth smallest element, like which is first smallest element and which is second or which is third. So for sorting this array, we have to use a sorting algorithm, and in this program I am using bubble sort algorithm. So if you don't know what is bubble sort algorithm, so you can check my video on bubble sort algorithm in Java, and I will provide the video link of that video in my description of this tutorial. So let's write the program. So in the program, first I will make a 1D array int a equal to, and in this array I will enter all the elements 8, 2, 14, 10 and 9. After that I will take a variable int k equal to 2. So let's take an example that we have to find the second smallest element of this array. So I have taken a variable int k equal to 2, and after that we also have to use a temp variable int temp, because we will require this temp variable to sort the elements. After that I will take a for loop for int m equal to 0 and m less than a dot length and m plus plus, and in this for loop I will take another for loop for int n equal to 0 and n less than a dot length minus m minus 1 and n plus plus, and in this for loop I will take a if statement. If a of n is larger than a of n plus 1, so in this we will swap the elements. So temp equal to a of n and a of n equal to a of n plus 1 and a of n plus 1 equal to temp. Also I am using a variable int flag equal to 0, and every time when the elements are sorted we will change the value flag to 1, and here I am using a if statement. If flag equal to 0, so in this we will break the loop. Break. So from here to here, this is the part of our bubble sort algorithm. So in this video I will not explain the working of this algorithm, you can check it from my video, and after that I will directly show the output, that after sorting what we will get output. We also have to use a for loop to print the array elements. So for int I equal to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus, and in this I will write system dot out dot print, and in this I will write a of I plus and space. So let's run this program. So you can see in the output we have all the elements sorted in ascending order. Now we can easily find the kth smallest element. So now we have to only print the kth smallest element. So first I will remove this for loop, and in this statement I will write k minus 1, and now let's run this program. So you can see here we have entered 2 here, so it means that second smallest element. So second smallest element is 8. So because after sorting first smallest element is 2, then second smallest element is 8, and then third smallest element is 9, and so on. So we know that array indexes start from 0. So at 0 index we have 2, at 1 index we have 8, at 2 index we have 9, and at 3 index we have 10, and at 4 index we have 14. So I have entered here k equal to 2, so second smallest element. So I am printing the element k minus 1, so k is 2 minus 1, so it means that element at index 1. So element at index 1 is 8 and it is our second smallest element. So because array index start from 0, so that's why we have to write here k minus 1 in the print statement. And suppose if I want to find the fifth smallest element, so I will enter here 5 and let's run this program. So now in the output I am getting 14 and it is the fifth smallest element in this array. So fifth smallest element is 14. So we have to remember one thing, that when we are finding the kth smallest element, so we have to sort this array in ascending order, not in descending order. So this is how we can write a program to find kth smallest element in 1D array in Java. Thank you.